friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. Today, I'm making a light and flavorful twist on a classic, easy shrimp scampi with Zoodles. It's quick, low carb, and absolutely delicious. Plus, I'll share a quick update on how my diet is going and a healthy meal I chose while dining out. This recipe keeps all the buttery, garlicky goodness of shrimp scampi, but swaps out pasta for Zoodles, or zucchini noodles. They're light, colorful, and soak up the sauce beautifully. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil divided, 1 medium shallot finely chopped, 2 medium garlic cloves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 2 tablespoons of unsalted chicken stock, 1 pound of large shrimp peeled and deveined, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of multicolored cherry tomatoes, 6 cups of spiralized zucchini or 2 12-ounce packages, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley for garnish. This is a recipe I found at my bariatrics doctor's office. They have a notebook with bariatric-friendly recipes, and this one caught my eye. I love shrimp scampi, but I never had it without pasta. This is a winner for sure. As always, let's start by prepping our veggies. Chop your parsley, half the tomatoes, and chop your garlic and shallot. Now, melt the butter with a little olive oil over medium-high heat. Sauté the onions until softened. Then add garlic for that wonderful aroma. Then add in white wine and chicken stock, and then let it reduce by half. Add the shrimp with salt and pepper. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, flipping halfway, and cook until the shrimp starts to curl and become opaque. Then remove the shrimp, but leave that flavorful sauce in the pan. Add in the cherry tomatoes with the remaining olive oil, just until they soften, about 3 minutes. Add the zoodles to the pan, being sure to drain them of excess water first, along with the rest of the salt. Then return the shrimp to the pan and stir everything together for about a minute or until the shrimp cooks to a tight curl. Remove from heat, then you're ready to plate. Add Parmesan and top with parsley as you'd like and enjoy immediately. Now for a quick update on my bariatric journey. I'm getting better and better with my diet choices, and I'm feeling confident. My husband and I went out to eat, and on this particular day, I ordered this beautiful salad from Carolina Ale House. It's their grilled chicken and Cobb salad. This salad comes with fresh avocado, roasted corn salad, tomato, hard-boiled egg, crispy smoked bacon, blue cheese, crumbles, and fresh romaine. I decided to leave out the corn salad, but it was delicious. It was such a big salad that I was full halfway through. Choosing meals like this is making it so much easier to stay on track, even when I'm not cooking at home. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. I've included a link to the original recipe below. Let me know what you'd like to see me cook next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. See you next time.